Hello everyone, we are here at Manila Memorial to visit my daughter Maria Isabel Angelica Tosara with my son Mark Angel and Princess Angel, our family and your boy
And Papa.
Okay, God bless everyone. Ikaw anak, alam ko masaya ka na sa heaven. Lagi mo kami ipag-pray. We love you anak. God bless you. God bless you anak. Anak. Okay, son. Hello. Princess. Yobo. Yobo. Okay. God bless everyone. Love you anak. God bless you.